prepare ourselves for Justin and Beth's first dance as husband and wife. Once again, if I could call upon the management of Cabra Valdez, please, if we could have the lights dimmed, if we could have the spotlight person ready. Once again, family and friends, this is the first dance for Justin and Betha as husband and wife. Please give them a big round of applause. Management, how are we going? We're not going to start the dance until we set the mood. We're going to set the mood. I said mood, not moves. Let's help Cabra Valdez by saying, you can do it! You can do it! Yeah, all right. There we go. Thank you, Cabra Valdez management. DJ. We also have the smoke machine, please, management. Can I have the bridal party, please? The bridal party to join the beautiful Mr. and Mrs. Omaoma. Get your partners, please. Bridal party. Groomsmen, bridesmaids. Shouldn't be that hard, guys. Later. So I'd like to call upon the bridal party, bridesmaids and groomsmen, please. Can you find your partners and come forward to the dance floor to have a final dance with the newlyweds. Apologies, but thank you to our dancers here this evening. We're going to move on with our program as we are running out of time. If I could get Justin and Beta, please take your seats over here. Beta and Justin over there. As we are about to begin the performances, if I could have the lights back on, please. Apologies for not having the spotlight, family and friends, and not having the vibe, the mood going, but we make the mood, we make the vibe. So can we have the rest of the lights on, please? If I could call upon our first Tauolunga, which is represented by the Mehitanga at Tapasin Mari, a Naitingi of Aulu. Pamormora to Kobotai Mieni, to what the final Mari Goini, if I a Goini, if I hope at the Tauluma.
Kone ofa mo ne tau ko fai me tau mo ui. Te whakaurerei mai e tau amalaki mo tau whakaamu haua whakoeni. Pea te kai ke whakamatara atu aki ka koe ni. O peo atu pe whakakakato o e o ngā mātua a sereti atu mo nai tingi. Ke kakato he kui konga tai kakato. Ko e tamai me loto foa. Pea koe whae, koe ne whae me loto foa. Ka koe tamai koe whae a sereti atu mo nai tingi me lo whanga. Ko pe mau peke tala ke osa. Koe ai. Tahine peta. Ko mau foi o whaanga. Kai ke aha me ai whakahopa ki a te ofa ni tanga. O si toko taha pe. Ko me tanga masiva. Ka koe loto. Moi ata mai moi whakakaukau whao kotoa pe ya koe tahine peta. Koe ai. Koe ki whakamei te whae a honi. Koe ki o whewhinerahi e ne o sostin mo peta. O kuna whapofongai a te tālunga me he tanga. Pea koe ki se niti o ku kore atu peta. Ke mea mai o hui atu ai ki se niti. Na aonga atu ki he mau ofa. Whetukutuku atu ki a teko koe. Pea koe ki vewe o kuri lalo. O whakaamu atu kauka me ki tanga o nai tingi. Pea mea mai o to'o atu. Ai ki vewe koe ni. Koe a pe. Tā mai e pasi. Kai whakahoko e.
Malo dito e family ka beheke tanga Justini. Pamormorat korat pe kia na tokotahay na upafongai e family me tanga peta mo kata ko mea mai o si hu e pare ko mea ofa ni me family a Justini. Oh, okay, peta Justini. Actually, no, you Justini kai ki ko fua ko korat pe ki hawa peta o si hu e. Peta, please. Wait, let's pull on the hui. DJ, hi, my fuzzy. Marie, vamos a Tokyo Eni. Okay, kau faham awak lo tu ni Marie ni. Angai mau faham Marie. Please give a big round of applause for Justin's Mangtanga's family dance. Thank you for your love and your contribution to the beautiful couple and for helping them continue on their journey thus far. So family and friends as well, I haven't neglected to say that we have here a wishing well. So all proceeds, any money received this evening, whether you have cards, whether you have gifts, please, it goes into here and it goes directly to the pair, to the beautiful wedding couple. So our next Tawolunga is also represented by Justin's father's side, and I will give it to this lovely lady to Whahokatu e Tawolunga Koeni Malo.
au pati. Dai ata mua mo oku ke whakahoko atu ai ki tālunga ko eni. O ku whai e manatu ofa ki e whae. Ko e tupe whinelahi ia. O tau singa. Tau whai e manatu ofa i e hoa ko eni. Ono i moa ko wholoreni nai tingi ke iri mila. Justin, i kai ke iaha mea ki umaa. Ko ki tola pe taha. Ke kamata aki hoko whaami. O mai ai ofa. Mea sione tuko. Ko e lahi taha ia e whanau ko kia i o tau singa. Pehe kia Wiriami Mila. Tua ofa Mila. Ia pehe poki kire. Pene matua kanu whakahoha a. Ko hui ngoa. Ko sene te tahi. Ofa ke tāpua ki e ho ki whāni te e ki. Tua ofa e ia. Nālo.
O kata ko toi paspasi i mai talunga hoko. Ai o talunga e whakai i koe whamiri e tamasi Māori. E ne whai tamai malo. DJ. Malo e ofa. Mari Polahaka, Mari Tahita Uluma. Aua! Era Ferroa, aua! Please give a big round of applause to Justin's father's side for their amazing and beautiful contribution. Malo mo si Ofa ke Ongo Māori. E hoko ata na ka hau malo a bito tua pātu. Ko taulunga hoko mai, ko taulunga ine a Sela Ruby Polata. Ko tukato ni I'd like to hand over the mic to these lovely ladies. Ke whahoka tui taurunga koe ni malo.
Sai ko whiawhia ke hoko ato mau patongia ke osi. Koe taurunga koe ni, koe mokopuna ia o e pinemotu alahi pae a sere ki atu. Pea koe taurunga koe ni, whamokonga ia he whakapae e. Pea koe tamasi tene taki mai tarunga, koe tungane sisi ia o e whae a sere atu. Tene taki mai tahine tarunga. Pea te whae e tarunga. Mo paspasi mai ke tamasi taki oi. Kataki pe koe ki tarunga koe ni pia hanga e. Ke nau si paka koloa aki ai me ki tanga o Sestini. Pea poake ki vere mo ki mea he ulu. O kukore atu ke tupepine pako me ki tanga o Sestini. Ke ne mea mai mua o toa me ki tekteki kai ata ai. Tarunga koe ni. Ngai pingi. Rakarari. Ito o lang-langin o. Goya pia pe mga pae ke si makolo pe mo antio Sestini. Goya. Moni.
Marlo, and to our non-Tongan speakers, the beautiful money that was on top of the young, beautiful dancer was given as a gift to Justin's father's sister, as out of respect. Give them a big round of applause, please. DJ Goho Maube. Mari tola pare, mari tani fulaka. Allora tola pare, allora tola. Pokada ke paspasi mai talong e family ko ini asela Ruby Polata maluho mo ofa o kora tiko talunga hoko mai ko talunga ne fanga tamai a Justin ai ko tamai na atu fanga tamai a atu tataki ko kora tiko e
I whewhine e lawa mai o si hau whahopa te taunga koe ni. Before I hand over the mic to our next dancer, I just have to make this PSA or public service announcement. Due to unforeseen circumstances, bar will be closing at 10:30, family and friends. So if you do require your final drinks, as I said, just to unforeseen circumstances, please, bar will be closing at 10:30. Hiri e taurunga koe ni ai whangatamai koe a atu, ai ko atu ko tamai a Justin ni, ko kolat ke whamiri a peta. Ko homo mau pe homo taurunga, homo kataki o si mea mai ki hoka tota programa ko hawe petai ni, ko ia be malo. Si kore mai pe whae koe ni ke ti DJ ke ki tai mai ki whasi. Koe ngā ka ke mau e nau taurunga, na to hoka to tau programa. So ka taki pe DJ, ai pe tau ki whasi e taha, pe tau mama whana, kai mau e taurunga whangatamai koe a atu, pa tau hoka to tau programa. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We're just going to have one song just to get ourselves into the dancing spirit as you have already displayed throughout this evening, and then we will continue on with our dancers. Let's do this. All right, now where's Justin? Now that we have Atu's father's side ready for their taurunga, I'd like to apologise for the delay. But when you wait for things, good things come. That's what I say to myself anyways. Koga taki o doi paspasi mai ko e taurunga hoko mai. Kasi whapongai atu tamini tamai. pangatamai a atu.
Tulong. Fatap ke otua. Koko le pe ke tau ki whalongolongo i ko mauina o pito ke tau i enu. Fatap ke otua. Ne tā koa ke mo tamai kini o tau au sia ai kātoanga, whakawhiawhia he ahoni, koe uhi, koe whakahoko ki naua ke na hoko, koe tamai moe whae, kuse paniti moe waifi he ahoni. Whakaotua, koe mea o tau loto ki ani. Whakaotua i whamiri, koe tahi nehe ahoni o tau whiawhia. Tau whiawhia ko whakahoko ki naua he ahoni, koe whamiri pēta. Pea ku ate taramonu heni kia ki moa sa stin ka te ki hongoa. Whatawang he ki ne tā koe ki na ki moa. Koko hoko ato mo whanonga. Koe ki tarunga koe ni. Koe tarunga ia e whangatamai. Kai pehe ke whangameitanga. Selete atu. Koe tamai ia sa stin ia honi. Kono whangameitanga o tongo fitu. Kone whangatamai ngau toko wha. Pea koe tahi ne lai tahi ni na rakwhai ne tāunga Florence Nightingale Mill. Pea tā mo ngāri pe moia he koe lahi. Ka ko mau tolu koe ni toi ngā CCI, koe anu mau rere mai ke whakakakato, ta masisi reti atu, ko mau whatongia ki ho whonga he ahoni. Ka koe a koe ki tarunga koe ni, ta olunga ea, a wiri unga. Kai pehe kia tausinga, kai pehe kia David Amusie, kai pehe kia Leslie, Melody Waki, Noma, Ahohopo, pehe ka kaufusi pehe ke whine motua koe ni whahoha atu. Koe whangameitanga ki mātolu o peni, o serete atu. Pea koe a uinga e mau ieni, kai kia hamea mau ko whiawhia au pito, whaamiri e tahine, e whaiangi, Ia whakahoko he o tua mea mawinga taha. Koe mea eo tau teke e tau whanau ai mahu inga. Pange pe ai mea mawinga taha. Na nofo, maoni, ko hiko i whinangalo e o tua. Ko o wharahi ata te ki moa sa stin, kai gaha mea e maa. Kai ki tahi ne koe nung ne whapofonga e mau tarunga, ko moko puna whikaua e au wiri. Ko moko puna e au pensimani o soani, ko moko puna whikaua e au wiri. Mau whiawhia he ahoni, ke le whai e tahini ko niko sisi, ai mau ki tau olunga koea, ko kore peke hoa sa stini, ka tato hoku ia te teki, ko tau taha he ahoni, ke tau e hoku atu aki, se o mowhanonga. Koe ki tola pe tahaf, koe ki teki ai mau ki talunga, whangatamai mo whangameitanga, tamsiko serete atu, tu au whai ki atu malo atu, tae whasi. Ka takma mai mo, koe ki Bebe kono tumu i loto. O ko kore ke kataki takai atu ki mea ko ia ke whariki atu aki ko mea lele tahine mahina ke whanonga atu moi a whangawhae a sina i tingi ne ongo peu kai ke iaha mea maa ka ko honga ia tua o ba maloa pi.
Maro kore at peke si whangawhae koe ke si tau hea tui koloa ka hoka toi ta ulunga. Marie! Vai loa, não vai mieni! Vamos lá, vai lá, Ke Vini Paurua as he comes and introduces the next dance.
Ladies and gents, this dance is towards my sister Bella and what's his name? Justin. Yeah, this is from the siblings of the Faulua side, so from Bella's siblings, I myself and the brothers and sisters. We already given them a gift, but from here, this is $1 million from the heart to you guys. Yeah, so love you guys and appreciate you all, and yeah, thanks guys.
Thank you very much, Kevin. That was amazing. Always surprising me. DJ, let's do this.
Fun.
give a big round of applause for the amazing performers on behalf of Betha's siblings, all of her brothers and her beautiful sister Kulaya as well. Our next Tauolunga is going to be represented by Betha's beautiful whahus or mehitangas, and I will give the mic over to one of these beautiful ladies, ke whakahokato e Tauolunga. So the next dance is on behalf of Betha's father's sisters. Mori atu pe o wawe tau taimi ka taki. So mau pe taini Tauolunga, ko rat ke ne si mea mai ke dance floor ke whahokato mo whatongia. Once again, guys, please give a big round of applause to Betha's beautiful aunties, as in terms of her father's sisters, as they perform this dance on behalf of themselves. DJ? Teke longo teme, aua, hala tonga lera ki ai, mare, maalai!
Satana liko liko, tele hake vele liko.
Mare, Satana!
Ihala liko liko, moma mima mima mio. Satana liko liko, tele hake vele liko. Ihala liko liko, moma mima mima mio. Satana whakahala, kokelelo mana mana, kote mai kata kata, siku kata ana. Satana whakahala, kokelelo mana mana, kote mai kata kata, siku kata ana. Satana, 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 oh the biggest one, Satana, oh the queen of Satana, 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 Mukularo, Try to get the no formato, oh the red fire. Satana,
Malo, please give a big round of applause to Elisabetha's beautiful aunties who make tangas for their amazing support and for that beautiful gift of giving and that beautiful dance as well. Koe Tauolunga hoku mai, te tau toi whakapeke ta whaki a Justine. Koe Tauolunga koe ni is on behalf te kau whakawhae tangata whae a atu. Tuku atu e whakamari koe ni. Hiri e Tauolunga koe ni ko kore atu ke whakawhae tangata a Elisabeta, e mokata ke o teu mai ho maunga he Tauolunga. And then we'll finish off
with the boys' Lolesios dance as well. So we have the Lolesio dance to finish off the whole evening. But this dance that's coming up now, we dance here on behalf of Tangata Faea Atu, and then after that we'll have the dance for the Faetangatas of Petters, and then finish off with the Lolesio combined dance, I believe. Go ahead, Maro.
Ko kita alunga ia ai whanau mo whangamongopuna o sioi pangia kai tau. Koe kuta mai, kono tofe fine, ai wana koe whanau koe ni. Pea koe kita alunga koe ni o mautua ki he whanau koe ni, ka mau apa ka te kinau tau, koe ngaka whaya ki kamerite, koe uhinga koe si i wahoko. Ai nga family ko ni mapesi ai. Ko ko kita handa alunga. Peka. Aku kita handa alunga. Mau kita handa alunga na jog ma wai be. Ba ko kita ko kita la be ta. Ba ko ke ba me kita na oi ba na tingke. Ai tek teki. Ko nga kai ho ba te ma ta alunga. Pasi be ya to he ta. Koia. Malo au pito Koe ki fatumia pe.
Tamasilo!
Malo.
Tamasilo! There we go! Go, go, go! Tamasilo! There we go! Go, go, go! Sila maluwa! Hey, hey, hey!
Saya minta ini tahu nggak hak kami kau iya, mari ya pe haka.
Force the force, force the force. They work it hard. The body for the. What ball?
Mario. Please give them a big round of applause. started sounding like a haka, but it ended up being a taurunga anyway. So please, thank you family, especially the Hapai family, for your beautiful, amazing contributions. Koe taurunga hoko mai, koe taurunga ene, whangawhae tangata a Elisabeta, kau tuku atu e whangamari koe ni, e tahire koe ni, ke whahoka atu e taurunga koe ni, malo.
Malo MC. Kore peke hufanga ngai pakatap ko to pe ko si pai ka patanga e tau ga to na pie pie e ta ko ni kai hawa te mau ki tau lunga ba fa na ko ni ko ura ke ki fa to dia ko kore atu parisete na e tare teu e katoa ngamo e tu kapa pe a Justin pea koe pea ko kore atu parisete nea pai o pao te tu kapa a Justini kato whai mau tau lunga ko Justini ko whakaingoa ia e parisete pa ko mea Pekau ke tu kapa peke fan patonia ka paresete. To ia paresete o te ange ngasire bene. Altino abe. Parece peta con las peta mea mayo kuya te ki tu kapa magtarena. Iya. Malo. O pape tokone ki tokone upai ngai pai tangatai pa ko ki ko ya te tare mau mau pasi.
Mari, berkata ke tu tas besi mai. Tahu mari kerni na bahawa tu mga fight mata. Ayo ni sepeta. Tahu mo favorite for us kerni. And our final dance for this evening in terms of our performances is on behalf of the Lolesio family.
Now, in terms of those that don't know Petra's side, she has a Paulua family, and she has a mother's side, which is the Lolesio family. And this next dance, if I can get the boys please to make their way to the front. So these boys are Mate Matonga for life. And I think some of them are single. They're all single, that's what I've been told. So, if we're gonna look for our next wedding, ladies, especially to the Hawaii side, help yourselves. DJ, let's do this. Young gentlemen as they perform their dance on behalf of the Lolesio family. Family friends, that comes to the end of our performances for this evening. And because we are definitely running short of time, or out of time as I should say, I want to take this opportunity to, first off, for all of the amazing performers this evening and for you all that help contribute and give money towards the newlyweds. 3 cheers for yourselves. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Because God is good and all the time. God is good all the time. Yes, give yourselves a big round of applause. If I could call upon the beautiful Mr. and Mrs. Lunga to please make their way forward as they make their final speech for this evening. And then as soon as this speech is concluded, I will call upon Sir Missy Langi to please come forward also to say our closing prayer for this evening, and then we can have the rest to dance and party and everyone can go home safely. So please, if we could have everyone just a bit quiet as we give the mic to, or actually I think we're starting off with our beautiful bride, and then she will hand it over to her amazing husband.
Thank you everyone for coming. It means a lot to see that everyone showed up for us. Thank you to Justin's family that came from all the way from Mildura, Melbourne, Campbelltown, Newcastle. Thank you to Nat and Atul. They treated me like their own daughter, like everything I needed, they were always there with me. I'd like to say thank you to my parents. I know I may not have the right way in your eyes, but ready now. Thank you to my mom's beautiful sisters who helped them with like preparing all the wedding stuff. My dad's sisters. And shout out to the ones in Tonga that are watching right now. Ofalahi atu. Thank you to my Lolisio, my Kaolua side. Thank you to Sawanda. She made our bouquets. And if you need a florist, she's the one. Okay, for Sawanda. And last but not least, thank you to my siblings. Thank you. Thank you for taking a lot of the stress off me. Especially to Ulaya, Bongi and Nora, Hene Sharon, Dad. My brother actually told me that this is the most stressful wedding that he's ever had to help out with, but anyway. Justin, I can't wait to start this journey with you. I love you.
First of all, I thank the Lord. Without Him, this wouldn't be possible. And I want to thank all my family that came from Mildura, Melbourne, Campbelltown, all over the place. But most of all, I want to thank my parents, my mum and dad, for always being by my side, and my dad for always showing so much love to me, better than the kids. And to Peter's family, I just want to say I love you all for welcoming me with open arms in such a big family. He's told me how to party. Let's go. And to my best man, I love you, Doc. Thanks for coming all the way down for me, Doc. I don't need to say much to him because he already knows. And yeah. So I thank everyone for coming down and supporting me and my family and my kids. And to Bunga and Sete, I love you. And thank you for everything.
Let's party.
And of course, to Petra's only other and amazing queen, Sister Kulaya. So now that we've got all our thank yous out of the ways, we're going to hand it over to Se Missy Langi to conclude our evening with a prayer, and then we're going to party. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Ofatu.
I'd like everyone to join me just to conclude our ceremony for today. Join with me as we ask God's blessing on this new couple. Eternal Father, Redeemer, we now turn to you, and as the first act of this couple in their newly formed union, we ask you to protect their home. May they always turn to you for guidance, for strength, for provisions and direction. May they glorify you in the choices they make, in the ministry they involve themselves in, and in all that they do. Use them to draw others to yourself, and let them stand as a testimony to the world of faithfulness. We ask this in Jesus' name. Amen.
Thank you so much, Se Missy Langi, for that beautiful prayer, for leading us off to our evening. Family, I also want to just make an announcement. I was given a phone. It's a Samsung. If you're missing your phone, I know how much and how important. Don't be lifting all your hands. If you are missing a Samsung phone, please come and see me. It is currently off at the moment, but please come and see me.
Can everybody give Sepho a round of applause for the best MC tonight?
Thank you guys. Once again, let's do 3 G's. 1 for the beautiful wedding couple, 2 for yourselves, but 3 and most importantly for God for providing the blessings that we have this evening. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! DJ, let's do this!
Like Swing those hips and rock it up to me, ragga. A dance, for dance, for dance, for dance, for dance, for dance, for dance. Singing, mine. No one's got it in the pop city, but I am good with that in mind. I'm the from the side, I'm the from the same place. In the time when I'm gonna live, in the time when I'm falling, get it out down. Sound my love. the world may say